day 138 or something like that. I forgot what kind of day, what day we were on, but regardless, let's make a quick simple video. We're still going through the book. We're like really like made a big chunk done. We're about like through all of this. We still have some pages to go, but we basically have one more chapter, which is all this like evaluation step. But yeah, let's get to it. So I didn't really finish the Boolean object stuff, so let's just make that. I should make true these variables as object dot Boolean value as true. So when it asks for all this, yeah. Okay. So this they actually changed the Boolean to native Boolean to Boolean object. Very long name, but node dot value. So func so you should take an input that's bool. If input return the true variable, return false. Okay, so if we let's also add null as well. Null object dot null. I don't think it has anything, so we'll just leave that. Then we'll add prefix to hill. What the? I got a weird transaction. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna do some prefix expressions. So like if we like negate a Boolean and negate a number, I think they kind of ties in with like truthy values and stuff. But yeah, let's do this. So test the bang operator. Test. So let's add this. Oops. Okay. Let's do this. Test bang operator. T for testing. T. Yeah. test. We're gonna create a struct, an array of structs, and let's build. We'll say input string, and that will say expected bool. We'll make some actual stuff here. So we'll say an example of test is not true, should be false. Not false is true. Not 5 is truthy. It was like a truthy and a falsy, so it should be false. I mean, truthy and then negating it is false, right? I mean, yeah. Then, not that is true because we're negating a false. And then, not false should be true. Wait, so not the false is true, not the true is false. So, yeah. Well, actually, I did this wrong. Let's do this here. And, oops. Let's call this true. True. Right? I mean not true. Not true, false. Yeah, it's true. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, this is true. Okay, so let's iterate into this. Was it eval? Is test eval input and test boolean object t evaluated t expected time. And then we need to add another case. Prefix expression. So right. Eval. No dot. Return eval. No eval prefix expression. No dot operator. So we do need to make this though. switch limit. Case bang. Return eval. Bang. Operator. Expression. Right. Alright, so default. Now we need to write this, which takes right, which is a object dot object, and return object dot object switch right. So if it's a case true, then return false. Right, because we need to negate it. If it's a false, it's a true. Oh my god. True. If it's a case null, return true. If it's a case, or default case, default return false. Nice. So yeah. We'll also add like a minus. First I'm gonna test this out. Go test. Die. Oh, that's a problem. Okay. Oh. Why doesn't it? Oh, operator. Pass that. So we can add another one now. Evaluate. Eval. Minus prefix operator expression. Right here. Brother, oh my god. Should return, take an input. Or I mean, right. Dot object. We'll return an object dot object. Okay, so let me think about this really quick. So we have an object dot object here. Basically, if it's what do I have to worry about? I have to check the type. If write dot type is not equal an object dot integer object, return is the null, right? Because that doesn't make sense. Otherwise, we can return we return the so we can get the value out, right? Like this. We'll say right dot object dot integer dot value, right? And then we can create a basically a new one that returns. I think it should be integer. Integer with the value is just minus value. That negates, you know? So yeah. Yeah. So hold on, let me go to the test. We can do. I think he added it. What did he add it? So it's one of these. So we can add a few more. So we can add the same ones, but we can negate them. And we expect to pass. Yeah. So it's working out. Now we also need to do infix, but we can do that tomorrow. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys for tomorrow. Peace.